little woody, we gon' slide. Play with my little woody, we gon' slide. Play with my little woody, we gon' slide. Play with my little woody, we gon'.
What's up with it, y'all? It's Big Boss coming back with another verse. And you know when I do these verses, I don't never do it by myself. You know I had to bring a beautiful young lady on the show. But hold on. You know what I'm saying? Can I get a thank you? Can y'all go in the comments and be like, that's all I need y'all to say. I appreciate you, bruh. Or just hit me with the thank you, Big Boss. Come on now. Y'all been in the comments like, can you please? Can you please bring a girl on the show? And then, you know what I'm saying? And I went out my way, searched through the woods, went in the goddamn desert. I was on a safari, swam through the oceans, got me one. All right. So I just need a, you feel me? I appreciate you, bro. But I'm gonna stop talking because all I do is talk. You feel me? I love talking. I'm gonna shut up. I'm gonna introduce what we got on the show. Matter of fact, I'm not even gonna do it. I'm gonna let her. Or can you just tell these people who you is, please? Thanks.
My name is Jayla. I've been on the show before, and yeah, I'm back again.
What you be getting into?
Really, just minding my business.
Minding your business?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, babe. All right, man. While she minding her business, we're gonna be minding these fragrances business. All right. We got 3 of the top Middle Eastern fragrances out. You know what I mean? I kind of just want to see which one gonna be king. So the first one we got is Liquid Brun. All right, by French Avenue. You feel me? So we got Liquid Brun on the list, and then we have Lattafa, ASAD, Bourbon. Okay, we got this one as well. Lastly but not least, we have Art of Universe by Lattafa as well. Okay, one thing I'm gonna do is shut up, and I'm gonna let her pick which one you want to smell first out of these 3.
I love this like brown and gold on both of these, so I'm probably gonna go with this one.
The Liquid Brun. Liquid Brun. All right, y'all. Before she smell it, go ahead and check the notes out. You know what I mean? Got some of them beautiful, you know what I'm saying, sexy things. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna say what the notes is. I want to surprise her, but we know. You know what I'm saying? We know. All right. So all I need you to do is just when I spray this, I need you to shake it a little bit, let it air out a little bit, let it dry down, and then give it a good little sniff. And then I just need a little review. You know what I'm saying? 2 sprays. 2 sprays. How that smell?
Okay, first it's very sweet, so nice and sweet. I would like to say woody, but I feel like it's something else. I'm not sure what. Like, oh, that's kind of tricky.
Do you like it?
I love it. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Would you want your
It's
man?
nice
Would you want your man to wear it?
Yeah, that's nice. I would definitely want my man to wear that. It's really nice. Not too much. Like, I don't like those scents that are just like too loud. You know, like I like this because it's nice and subtle. Not too much.
Okay.
I'm not sure what that is, but I do smell vanilla. I will say that. It may not be vanilla in there, but
it's vanilla
I
in here.
smell vanilla.
It's vanilla
Okay.
for sure.
So it was vanilla. Vanilla, I want to say something a little...
Take your time.
like sandalwood, maybe?
Sandalwood, vanilla and
Maybe.
sandalwood.
Yeah. Or like cashmere.
Oh, like a musk.
Yeah.
Okay. So you know your fragrances, I guess, huh?
I may. I don't know if I'm right or not.
What would you rate this out of 10?
I would say a 10 because I'm a sweet girl. Like, I love sweet smelling scents and fragrances. Like, sweetness always wins me over.
So this fire.
Fire.
Yeah. All right, man. God damn. All right. So look, y'all. We got 2 more. We got Lattafa ASAD Bourbon, and then we have Art of Universe by Lattafa. Both of these is from Lattafa. Which one you want to smell next?
We'll switch it up.
The Art of the Universe. All right, y'all. She want to smell Art of the Universe. For those people who don't know the notes inside this fragrance, check these notes out. You know what I mean? So you can kind of get an idea of how it smells. And you know what I need you to do? I need you to take that. I'm gonna spray it twice. Just let it shake it off a little bit. Then smell it.
Okay, that one is like, it strays away from sweet, so it's definitely more masculine.
Okay.
I'm not a huge fan. Not a huge fan, but it's not bad.
Okay. What does it smell like to you? What type of dude you can see putting this on?
What type of dude? Okay, because of the bottle, it looks kind of childish, but like the scent is like totally different from the bottle, I think.
Oh yeah, it is childish.
It is, you know. Like I wouldn't even thought that was a cologne, you know. I don't know what I would have thought it was, but something for a kid.
Right.
But that doesn't matter. I think that the scent is like obviously the star. So, what kind of guy would I see wearing this? Like a manager, you know?
Manager.
Like some sort of manager at like maybe corporate
Okay.
or something.
Okay.
It's nice. It's just more masculine, you know? Like I feel like a strong person would wear that.
What would you say? Which one is better from Liquid Burn, the one you smelled in the first round, and Art of Universe?
Which one is better?
Yeah.
Oh, Liquid Burn.
Liquid Burn?
Brun.
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 I know. I say Burn. But Liquid Brun. But I say Burn. Yeah. All right, y'all. Look, check this out, man. Art of Universe did not make the cut. All right, so I got to put this on the shelf, okay? So for all you dudes out there that thought this was a banger and it was going to beat out Liquid Brun, you're wrong. Go home, take a nap.
But that's my judgment. Who knows? Like, I don't know.
No, but this video is for if somebody was trying to get a girl that look like you or like you. You know what I mean? So they gonna see your personality. They gonna see how you look. They gonna hear how you talk, and they gonna be like, I like her. I like her a lot. And she said that she like Liquid Brun. That means I'm gonna go get Liquid Brun, and I'm gonna go out in the world, and I'm gonna find a girl like her.
Okay.
All right, that's what they gonna do. Cause we super simple. We like, oh, that's the code. All right, then we just go do it. See that?
I see that.
All right, one more. We have Lattafa. Come on. Yeah, this one is Bourbon ASAD. All right, this is the last one. You think this one gonna beat out Liquid Brun?
I would say so because I've had a Lattafa, like the pink one, and that one was amazing. So,
Oh, you got the pink one like this?
yes.
All right. Hey, y'all, check out the notes inside this fragrance so y'all can get a little glimpse of how this might smell. Push. Smell that.
Okay. Again, not a big fan.
You not a big fan?
No.
Why?
It just doesn't like set off that like attractiveness in my mind, you know? It's just not as attractive as that one.
It's just like, yeah.
Yeah, you know? I feel like it's more it's more like that one.
This
Yes. What's that called?
Art of Universe.
Art of the Universe. So yeah. Is like those are kinda like twins, and then this one is kinda like
in a whole different category or something?
Yeah, whole different category.
So you basically saying that Liquid Brun is the winner.
Liquid Brun.
And the side is over with.
Yeah.
Damn! Alright, y'all. Is Liquid Brun the king of fragrances? We gonna see. Now, in some videos, whenever I get a fragrance that kind of strike me as like a fragrance that's really good and that might become one of the top fragrances out there, I like to put it up against a fragrance just to kind of level the playing field. And I think you know what fragrance I'm talking about. Alright, we back. Y'all knew I had to get it, man. Azaru the most wanted. And you know they coming out with a new one called Forever Wanted. I'm gonna get that. So I need to smell this. And let me know if it smells better than Liquid Brun. Azaru or Liquid Brun? Let me get Liquid Brun in here. Liquid Brun.
This smells specifically like something.
What I do?
I just can't. Oh, Liquid Brun smells even better now that it's like dried down. It smells even better.
It smells even better. Damn, so it's like over a 10.
Yeah.
What about that Azaru the Most Wanted?
Again, it stands along with these other three.
So
this one is sweet, and the other ones are more musky.
So you saying Liquid Brun is better than Azaru the Most Wanted?
Liquid Brun is way better than Azaru Most Wanted.
Is that right?
That's so right. Yeah, go ahead, put it on.
All right,
so
y'all.
good.
If y'all want Liquid Brun, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the purchase link down below. Okay, so y'all can go straight to the website and go buy it. I didn't even think this was gonna win, bro. I don't know why I thought it was like the Most Wanted was gonna just come and just knock it off the top spot. But is Liquid Brun the king of verses?
It is.
Hey, you know we got to put this up against a whole bunch of heavy hitters before we can make that decision. All right, but for now, it beat out Azaru the Most Wanted, and that's what we're gonna do. All right. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'm Big Boss. This is
Jayla.
All right. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out.
Deuces.
Oh yeah, cash out.
I do not fuck with these niggas. I do not fuck with these bitches. They moving like lames. I just be doing my thing. Where am